as a bushwhacking guerrilla army.
Bushwhack.
Bayou Bushwhackers from Louisiana.
Her end at the hands of a bushwhacking scrub.
Hold on there, you bushwhacking sack shooter.
He tally up all those fights and bushwhackings and pole camps.
The people he bushwhacked to come to town.
Stopped those bushwhackers pretty good during the war, Fletcher.
You did some bushwhacking, John Law. It was a cold-blooded bushwhack.
Arcadia bushwhacked those poor bastards.
Once we're in enemy territory, as a bushwhacking guerrilla army, we're going to be doing one thing and one thing only.
The treasure. It's a bushwhack. They're fixing an ambush.
Fighting alongside Texas frontiersmen. Bayou Bushwhackers from Louisiana. Drawn together from across a continent.
Best warrior I have ever met her end at the hands of a bushwhacking, scrub, elky piece of shit like you.
Coming up! Hold on there, you bushwhacking sack shooter. You just open the door. We tell you when to come.
3,000 I know you got coming. 4 brings it up to date. He tally up all those fights and bushwhackings and pole camps. That time in Lincoln County. 5.
Very likely he's going to get hanged, but it would be nice if the families of the people he bushwhacked would come to town and watch him go purple on the rope.
Well, that should inspire.
Pussy whales, eh?
We stopped those bushwhackers pretty good during the war, Fletcher.
Fletcher.
Well, Bill Hickok, what no range rider. You did some bushwhacking, John Law. Them son of a bitch sat with his back to the door, killed by... You do not remember moving the body. So it was a cold-blooded bushwhack while poor Mr. Warden was tending to his campfire.
Lee Heller. Cursing. We need to talk. Trouble is, word gets out Arcadia bushwhacked those poor bastards. There's gonna be a bitch to land on 3 new guys.
I don't want 3 new guys. No more guys.
Hey, Sonny! Did you see which one of them Bible thumpers bushwhacked me?
No, sir.
Okay.
Oh, are you all right, sister?
She didn't see it.
Fine. Just bushwhacked. No need for a fuss.
You just go lie down. I'll bring you some tea.
You move east. If it's midway, I'll bushwhack him.
All right. Jack, you're a senior. You'll take...
Finish this hand, will you?
Well, you gonna protect me while I take a dump?
Go and get bushwhacked.
Then we'll all fart on him.
I'll go with you.
Yeah, you can wipe my ass.
You know that for a fact, Tom?
I do. They tried to bushwhack me, unfortunately, for one of them. You're gonna put that in your newspaper, too?
It's new.